let's get down to business here, which is the nighttime routine. So before talking about my bedtime routine, which I'm obviously ready for in my robe slash PJ set, I'd like to talk a little bit about what I do in the morning if I wake up and I feel like my eyes are super tired looking, which they often are. I like to use this looks like it might be something else. It's not. It's a depuffer. It's by Sundree, Sundree, and I stick it in my freezer. You see there's like water in there and it's solid, and I just put it here under my eyes and it wakes me up and it feels super good. I just like play with it on my face, and then once I've had enough of that, see, I just like get in the vibe and just depuff my eyes. Once I've had enough of that, I use these copper peptides, white tea extract, cucumber, hemp, Sundree, under eye depuffing, masky things. And I'll put them under my eyes and I'll drive the kids to school with them. I don't care if I'm embarrassing them. What's that to me? I want my eyes to look really nice. But that's what I do in the morning. But let's get down to business here, which is the nighttime routine. The first thing I do is I put my hair up because I don't want to get any product in my hair. I get some cotton balls and I use some really oily eye makeup remover. Now, I use baby oil a lot of the time because it works. I've tried like really mild eye makeup removers and they don't work for me. They drive me nuts because like I'm left with so much eye makeup still, and then I have to rub my eyes and then they get irritated, and then it's just this huge thing. So I either like baby oil, or I also really like this Almay eye makeup remover because again, it's got oil. This is actually for long wear and waterproof eye makeup, which mine isn't, but I still find that waterproof eye makeup remover is what works best for me. And as you can tell, I don't have the gentlest hand. I'm somewhat rough with my skin, but I feel like I need to be to get really all the makeup off. And as you can see, I feel like the makeup's being a little bit stubborn with me and not coming off as quickly as I would like it to. Okie dokie. Pretty good. Not excellent. If there's like eyeliner in there, sometimes I just take a Q-tip and get the residue with the eyeliner, because nothing annoys me more than waking up in the morning and having a black eye from your makeup. Or sometimes my eyes get super duper irritated because I haven't taken my makeup off correctly. So I'm pretty anal about it, and I make sure that I get absolutely everything out of there. Still not good enough. I'm gonna get another cotton ball. I'm gonna put some more eye makeup remover in there, and I'm gonna do it all over again. I think I'm gonna try it with no water this time, see if that works better. Oh, I also make weird faces in the mirror. Pretty good, or as good as it's gonna get. Now you see why I need this in the morning. It's because I've beaten my eyes so badly. Next, I use a foam cleanser. I don't really like oil-based cleansers because I just find that they don't make my skin feel super clean. I want something that's really gonna make my skin feel clean. I really like CeraVe or Cetaphil. Cetaphil's been around for ages, and I feel like it cleans my skin really, really well. I just put it on my hands and I clean my whole face. And I feel like, it's really weird. I feel like oftentimes we all forget to wash our necks because I use self-tanner. Sometimes I'm like, oh wait, my neck is like 3 different colors. So I think it's really, really important to remember to wash your neck as well. I got this trick from a makeup artist that if you then remove your cleanser with a towel, it has this gentle exfoliating effect, which I find works, because I'm not really a huge fan of scrubs, but I feel like if you rinse off your cleanser with a towel, it has a similar effect. And you can also really see how much is coming off, like my foundation's coming off. Since I was a teenager, I really loved like sea breeze and astringents. I feel like They make me feel extra clean. I'm not positive what they do for your skin, but I just like toner and astringents. My favorite is Barbara Sturm's. You're gonna see a trend here because I'm a huge fan of Barbara Sturm's. I just find that her skincare is clean and feels really good on my skin. So this is her balancing toner. Just put it on a cotton pad, and then this is running out. I actually need to get some more. Next, so this is where it gets a little bit complicated because I'm a huge fan of serums. And since becoming a fan of Barbara Sturm's, I switched. I used to be a huge fan of oils. I used to like smother my face in oil because I loved the way it made me feel. But I now realize that like serums are much better for me because I'm breaking out less. I just feel like my skin's absorbing the product more with serums. So I switch them out. At night, I use the vitamin C serum. I do like 2 or 3 little drops. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, this one's running out, so I'm just gonna go like this. Girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. Oh my God, it feels so good. And it smells really good too. It smells really smooth. So I've got the good C serum, which clearly I need to get some more of. And then I've got the calming serum, which is also really good, especially after a day of like putting on a ton of makeup or if I'm at work. At the end of the day, this totally chills my skin out, which feels really good. And then, this is a little silly, but I often go like this, and my dog looks at me like I'm cuckoo. She's right behind me, and she's like, "What are you doing, Mom?" But I like that to dry, and then my absolutely favorite cream is Barbara Sturm's Face Cream Rich. I love it because to me, the more moisture, the better. There's no such thing as like too moisturizing. I put about that much on. First I rub it between my palms. I put it on everywhere, including my neck. Oh, and I'm supposed to do this area too. I totally neglect this area, but apparently as I get older, it's not gonna look so good. So I have to remind myself to do that as well. A lot of people are a fan of eye creams. I have yet to find an eye cream that doesn't irritate my eyes. So I generally stay away from eye creams and just let the rich cream do its work. So that's my routine. That's pretty much it. And I'm ready for bed. So thank you so much for going to bed with me. All right, it's time for bed. Mwah.